Oh, we're gonna start the vlog off on a good note right here. We're starting the vlog off. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my garage. Nah, just kidding. This is a treat today. I know I haven't been on the vlog channel, so I'm gonna show you guys some love by showing you some cool stuff. I have no idea what we are looking at. All I know is that this car is expensive, and I'm pretty sure it's some sort of limited edition. STO. I'm sorry if I'm letting any of you guys down, but I just don't know my Lamborghinis like that. But this thing is beautiful. The paint is like it's almost like a Nardo gray, but it's matte. It has red accents, the white striping. Dude, that carbon fibre, crazy. And look at this. Whoa. We got the rolls. I did a video on this a while back. And then we have the SV right here. I believe this one's an older one. I don't know if it's open right now. I don't think it is. Oh, it is. Whoa. It's like a spaceship. Dry carbon, wing, V12, 6.5 liter. Whoa. Not trying to show the license plate on this one. It's so quiet now. You see the exhaust setup on the inside. STO on the back. Whoa. What's the deal with this car? I don't know anything about it.
It's a Lamborghini Huracan STO.
Uh-huh.
Essentially like the last Huracan they'll make is what they were saying, but the V10, 0 to 60 like 2.9 and I just spec'd the whole car myself.
Dude, this is wild. I'm guessing this is like super limited.
In this country right now, I think there's maybe like 750 or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure.
All right, you guys, we are going to get some lunch now. I don't know where we're going, but we're going. We're riding in a group with like 9 people, so I'm in the car with Colin. I'm in the car with Rafcat. And we're gonna see what's for lunch. All right, let's check Rafcat's parking.
That's funny as fuck.
Nice.
How would you like it on the curb?
Colin said I wouldn't. Yep. Dude, it's freaking raining today. Oh my goodness. For that Christmas spirit right here. Wow, fancy.
For like 5 hours.
Oysters. Wow.
It was really fucking weird. I've tried
Look at the technique.
I try everything now. Like in Japan, I had so. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good.
My hero. Okay, food just arrived. We got some fries. We got burger. We got some burger. We got some burger. We got some hash browns and some other random. Okay, wholesome dog content for the day. We got Prada. We got Mew Mew in the mix. Hi. Hi. Oh, you got braids? I like the hair. Look at your hair. Wow, you're really soft.
Thank you.
Well, look at that tongue.
Hi. Oh, I'm falling.
Go to him. Oh. You have a small ass bark, cuz. Hi. 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 Oh, you like me. You like me. Haha, you like me. You like me. Quick unboxing. Ah.
That's dope.
Oh, it's like really.
Dude, yeah, that's
It's super detailed.
It's so detailed.
How
It
much?
just looks so smooth.
How much you buy this for, dog?
It was like $5.50.
Holy shit!
Dude, if this was like even 100, I'd probably keep it. Like if
For
that's
100.
how much, I'd keep that in my room. That looks
Yeah,
so
but
sick.
500, bro.
But it looks so cool.
It looks. It's cool.
500. I
But
put 500
you pay 500.
any day. That's just because I like this stuff.
Can we see your hair? Actually, I feel like the comments are gonna ask what's on your hair.
Skull.
Skull design. Who did this? Jackie Bieber.
Yeah, Jackie.
Okay, so we're taking a look at these Legos.
You don't have the push one, the turtle.
I haven't built Legos in a while, but look at how freaking detailed this is. The detail. Go crazy. Look at this. Change the gears. Oh, wait. Oh, it works. What the? Dude, this one has suspension. What? How much are these?
Dude, that one, they like retail for like something. The resale right now is like almost 1,000.
Yeah.
1,000?
Yeah, because this is old. It's like an older model.
That is wild. Rafcat's first time in the rolls. You have to sit in the back seat with the shoes off so you can feel the carpet.
Where's the umbrella? We'll use them.
And it matches. Wow.
When they press the button on the inside corner, turn it right.
The door?
Yeah. Yeah, hold it.
My car came with umbrellas in it. Stupid. I didn't get a snap of it.
Let me show you guys what it looks like inside of a Rolls Royce. I know I already did a video on this, but I'm inside, so why not just show you guys. Let's see here. I want to figure out how to do this. Is it this? Whoa. Screen. Hey. I feel like for this whole thing, I don't know. Usually for cars, I feel like most of the not navigation. What is this? What is this called? Most of the displays they look outdated. Like this kind of looks outdated a little bit. Where's Safari at? You got internet? You got games on your phone? See, this is kind of like a little hard to use. Am I tripping? But let's just vibe out and listen to music here. All right, guys, we're inside the Ferrari right now. This one is an F430. I have to look at this. But I think this year is maybe like 2006. Might be wrong. Maybe a little bit older than that. But some of the cool things that I saw in here, first has to be the peanut butter seats. This reminds me of Too Fast, Too Furious. When they're busting the missions for, I forget that Cuban dude, I forget his name, but he had a Ferrari like this. And then they had to get something out of the glove box, or the middle area. And then the steering wheel right here, wow. Has the horns up here. This push to start is crazy, I like that. And reverse button is down here. All of these gauges, you can tell it's a little bit older, but condition of this car is really nice. Up and down on the mirrors up here. No backup camera. No backup camera? Yeah, I mean, it fits me. Yeah, I fit in this. And then this part is kind of interesting. Not the best mirror, but it has like suede on the inside. What's up? That's pretty cool. Seeing all these in person, get a little feel of it. Whoa, I didn't even notice this. Ferrari sunglass case holder, perfectly right here. Let's get Rafcat's initial impressions.
Oh, wow. Ferrari.
But I feel like you're sitting high, right?
Yeah. Can you adjust it?
Probably. Oh.
Barely. This is the lowest, I guess. I feel like my head's gonna hit the top.
Let me see. That is pretty close.
I'd have to recline it. That's better.
It's not too bad though.
F1 world champion.
One day, baby.
One day, we get this embroidery business going.
Oh yeah, guys, we just bought a new machine for embroidery, so
Thank you guys for the orders.
yes, thank you guys for the orders, and we will be. We should do like a little vlog when it arrives.
Maybe, yeah.
That will be popping pretty soon. Ooh, we're taking my favorite car today. I'll sit in the back.
You want some?
Yeah, I'll sit in the back. Yeah, that's all good. I need to see how the back seats for you. Woo! The orange interior. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Smell good in here.
Leather. Pizza shit felt good.
Wow. The details. My god. Update on the vlog. It is freezing. So we're using 2 heaters right now.
It's freezing.
Let's see. Oh, do you guys want to see Colin's painting? Check this out.
Did you paint that?
You don't see the texture on there? You don't see the details? So we're about to decorate this tree. It's pretty decorated already, but we have a whole bunch of ornaments and all this crazy stuff over here. So our job is to decorate this tree for this beautiful entranceway. So this is what the tree looks like right now. See? You see the tree? And then hopefully it'll look nice when we're done. Dude, you need a bear brick up there. Is this a real tree?
Yeah, it is.
Dude, I haven't had a real tree in years.
Really
I kind of smell it.
Okay, vlog. Let us know how we did in the chat. I think the tree looks full. I think we did a pretty good job. 10 out of 10 right here.
10 out of 10.
It's full. I haven't decorated a tree in years, so beautiful.
50,000 likes and Alex will dress up as Santa Claus this year.
Okay. All right. So we were just in this living room, right? And we saw from afar, this is like a really huge picture. I don't know if, I don't even know if the camera can tell, can make y'all see how big this photo is. But then when you look at it, you see the details. This is crazy. Check this out. So I was like, okay, this might be a print, but this is bougie. So if you look at it, everything is hand painted. You can see the texture of the colors, especially in the gold. The gold is thicker, so you can see like actual textures, the brush marks and everything. This piece probably took so freaking long to finish because there's so much detail in it. Like the dress, detail. The border around, all the gold detail. All these little dots, all these little lines.
This guy. They had to
All
do
of these dots.
all of these. And it's like more than one.
Bro, and let me step back so they can actually see everything. And then it makes this. That is so crazy.